Hi everyone, welcome to a new playlist of C++ for beginners. In these tutorials we will begin to talk about C++ from beginner level to expert level. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. What is C++? C++ is a statically typed, compiled, general-purpose, case-sensitive, language that supports procedural, object-oriented, and generic programming. C++ is regarded as a middle-level language, as it comprises a combination of both high-level and low-level language features. C++ is a cross-platform language that can be used to create high-performance applications. C++ was developed by Bjorn Stroustrup as an extension to the C language. C++ gives programmers a high level of control over system resources and memory. The language was updated 3 major times in 2011, 2014, and 2017 to C++ 11, C++ 14, and C++ 17. Why use C++? C++ is one of the world's most popular programming languages. C++ can be found in today's operating systems, graphical user interfaces, and embedded systems. C++ is an object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows code to be reused, lowering development costs. C++ is portable and can be used to develop applications that can be adapted to multiple platforms. C++ is fun and easy to learn. As C++ is close to C# and Java, it makes it easy for programmers to switch to C++ or vice versa. To start using C++, you need 2 things. A text editor, like Notepad, to write C++ code. A compiler, like GCC, to translate the C++ code into a language that the computer will understand. There are many text editors and compilers to choose from. In this tutorial, we will use Dev C++. Now follow the below steps to complete. C++ Quick Start. Let's create our first C++ file. The IOStream library is an object-oriented library that provides input and output functionality using streams. A stream is an abstraction that represents a device on which input and output operations are performed. The base of the IOStream library is the hierarchy of class templates. So when we run a program to print something, using namespace std says if you find something that is not declared in the current scope, go and check std. Using namespace std, are used. It is because computer needs to know the code for the cout, synth functionalities, and it needs to know which namespace they are defined. Main function is the entry point of any C++ program. It is the point at which execution of the program is started. When a C++ program is executed, the execution control goes directly to the main function. I think this was enough for today. If you enjoy my video then like it, and you can subscribe my YouTube channel for latest videos. And join my Facebook group, Real Coder, also for latest post, news, videos and links. There is also my blog, www.freecourses2021.blogspot.com, in which you can get paid courses for free. Thanks for watching.